So I've recently put some of this stuff into my Volkswagen VR6, and I guess it's legitimately working. So anyone that has a VR6 Volkswagen will notice that they tend to have a bit of a chain rattle upon cold start. So first thing in the morning, jump in the car, crank it over, and you'll hear like a real sort of rickety racket for about 1 or 2 seconds. It's in the logbook. It says it's quite normal for anything up to 10 seconds. But anyway, mine's got that little bit of a rattle on it, and everyone says it's normal. There's nothing broken. Regular interval oil changes, etc., etc. Good quality oils. I added this stuff in at its last service, and only about half a bottle, mind you, and it actually it doesn't do it anymore. So I guess it's doing its work. It's meant to coat some of the internal parts with a molybdenum disulfide compound, and therefore, minimize wear and things like that on components. So it's safe for all petrol, diesel, turbocharged, etc., supercharged. So yeah, look, grab yourself a bottle of it. It seems to be working pretty damn good on mine, so thumbs up.